Rolags are traditionally made using hand cards, but I would like to show you how to make these fauxlags with just a spinning top and a marker.
First of all, why would you want to spin from a rolag or a fauxlag? Well, the fiber goes this way in a fauxlag or a rolag, and then you spin it like this, that it traps more air and gives you a bit of a woolen spun sort of yarn, as opposed to spinning directly from the dyed top. This way will give you more of a worsted style. So I've already split my top lengthwise. I'm going to be spinning a 2-ply, so I split it lengthwise into 2 halves. Then all you need is a marker or a dowel of some kind. You roll your fiber like this onto the marker, hold it on a little bit, and then keep rolling for a little bit. And you can take off your fauxlag, and that's it. It's very simple. They're very cute, very quick and easy to make. Let's do another one. Roll your fiber onto the marker, break it off. Just like that. They are pretty sturdy. They hold together well. I like to keep mine organized in the color sequence that I want to spin it in, but the color management is ultimately up to the spinner.
And here they are, ready to be spun. It was a 125-gram fiber top from Hedgehog Fibers, and this took me maybe 20 minutes. So cute. Thanks for watching.